Usually when we're in the mid-February talking about records, it's like grab the hats,
Right.
coats, mittens, scarves, hand warmers, face warmers, but
Whale blubber.
these are good
Everything.
records. What?
I wasn't referring to
Okay,
you.
just saying. I mean, I feel like
Yeah.
we're doing pretty good lately, actually.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Been a good little
good,
streak.
yeah.
V-Day set us back a little bit, though.
It
huh?
took a small step back, but it was worth
Yeah.
it. You know, I did all the pre-work to make up
I had,
for it. So
I
was
had a
ready.
lot of baked goods.
so
a
good.
lot of baked goods yesterday. So that's going to be a problem.
Insulation. No, it's insulation.
Insulation, sure. There you go. And we need it on a morning like this. Single digits up north, teens in Bangor, 20s elsewhere. There's some moisture out there as the ground did a little sweating overnight tonight, so there's some frost on windshields. We've got another system working in from the west. The center of the low will go to our west and north. We're on the warmer side of things here. Very little, if any, frozen precipitation as it passes, and there won't be a whole lot of rain with this either, but we will get into a few sprinkles today and tomorrow, and then some steadier rain tomorrow night into Friday. But it will be on the warm side. Now this morning, clouds are on the move. They're going to race in pretty quickly. We'll squeeze out a really nice sunrise in the 6s, but it's cold out there. You're going to have to do some scraping. Midday, mainly cloudy. There'll be a few stray and brief drops, flakes, or pellets. Temperatures on the rise. It's the warm air arriving. And the breeze will pick up too, and it's going to be directly off the water today out of the south, which will add a little brisk feel to the air. Sadly, it's going to negate this afternoon's warmth. We will begin to clear out this evening, and we'll clear out completely tonight. It'll stay mild, most spots above freezing. Highs today in the 40s for Maine, 50s over in New Hampshire, like Concord and Lebanon and Portsmouth. Sanford's close to 50, same with Freiburg. But with the wind off the water, a lot of Casco Bay will remain in the mid-40s, even though there's bigger potential. That time of the year, though, when the water is colder than the air at this point. It's kind of like a spring pattern, almost like a sea breeze in a way. 45 Wiscasset, just 42 in Bar Harbor, a little milder in Bangor, Waterville, and above freezing for the mountains and far north. Cloudy skies will help keep all that snowpack, though. Tomorrow will be a really nice day, less wind, a little more sunshine, and warmer temperatures, making a run at a record. And then tomorrow night through Friday morning, we've got the storm system moving through, and it looks like primarily rain showers with it. The front will pass about midday. The showers shut off. Temperatures drop from around 50 when we get up to around 40 in the evening as we're entering the weekend. And we're going to be briefly cold here to start the weekend. Highs only in the lower and middle 30s on Saturday. A little gusty out there too. But that cold retreats quickly and will turn mild again for Sunday and Monday. I will say, though, that it looks like we're going to be recharging the cold out west, and it'll make a run at us middle of next week. Records for tomorrow, one will likely get beaten in Portland, and one's going to be really close in Bangor. Going for a forecasted high tomorrow in Portland of 54 and 50 in Bangor. That'll come up a little short. And I want to point this out, middle of school vacation week through the end of the month. It looks like we are going to start to get a little colder around here. And with average temperatures of 35 to 40, and we'll be below that, that means it's cold enough for more snow. And we are not done with winter, even though it feels like we kind of are. Small crafts are up, seas 4 to 7 southwest winds. Sprinkles are possible today, otherwise mostly cloudy. On the mild side in the mid-40s. Near records tomorrow, low 50s. We'll get some rain showers tomorrow night and Friday, and then it's sharply colder to start the weekend. Back to above average temperatures Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Beyond that, it likely turns colder again. No super large storms at the moment, but we'll see what happens as we get closer to the end of the month.
Yeah, but at least a sneak peek at vacation week for the kids looks really good too. So
Yeah, the first
nothing
half
to get in the way of
especially.
some outdoor fun for sure.
There you go.
So thank you, sir. Appreciate that.